Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome aboard. We're all about creating, crafting, and cleverly using what we have to make something beautiful. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. You wouldn't want to miss out on our amazing content, would you? For more ideas, do check out our website, www.CleverDiyCrafts.com. Gardening enthusiasts have been showing off their creativity in various ways to showcase flowers in their gardens. Whether it's using traditional planters, crafting DIY planters, or repurposing unique materials, the joy lies in nurturing and witnessing the growth of these planted beauties. Among the delightful planter creations, Birdcage Planters have won a special place in our hearts. There's something undeniably charming about the vintage appeal of a birdcage suspended in a garden. It could be the intricate wire design of the cage or the lush plants cascading from its sides that add to its allure. Whatever the reason, it's a look we've grown to adore. While you can easily find vintage-style bird cages at craft stores, there's an eco-friendly twist to this design, recycling an old bird cage you already have. The beauty of these planters lies in their versatility for placement. You can hang them from a tree branch, mount them on a wall or front door, or simply place them on any flat surface. Allow us to share some delightful examples of birdcage planters we've gathered. Many of these feature a charming array of flowers, but the possibilities are endless. Whether it's trailing plants that gracefully dangle or vibrant flowers bursting with colors, these birdcage planters offer a perfect canvas to showcase your gardening prowess. Before you go, just a reminder to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's topic, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to visit our website, www.CleverDiyCrafts.com, for even more inspiration. Tap the bell button too, so you never miss our new videos. See you in the next video.